Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get DTI codes in 2025. These are the best available Dress to Impress codes, and it's going to supply you with tons of cool things, guys. I managed to find these. I was searching for hours on the internet, looking for the best possible secret codes for Dress to Impress, and these are the best working codes in 2025. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone to obtain these codes. So make sure you have an internet connection. Open up the internet browser of choice. I'm using Firefox, but it doesn't matter really which one you use, and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So very important you spell it correctly. Pause the video, copy this down if you need to. This is basically a codes website, and they have codes for some of your favorite games. They have codes for shopping websites. So you just need to find the Dress to Impress page. I'm going to go to the search bar and search for it. Dress to Impress secret codes. Now this page is awesome. If you scroll down, there is a couple of different DTI codes that are working in 2025 that you can use. There's a free VIP pass in Dress to Impress, and you can also get free custom makeup, so you can unlock the custom makeup feature. So these two DTI codes are super popular, but there is tons of them as well. So you just need to basically choose the code you want, and when this pops up, you're going to see this screen where you need to unlock your DTI code. Now, of course, custom makeup and VIP is pretty expensive, so this prevents people from stealing all of the codes. So tap on unlock code, and there is a few minute process that you will need to do to unlock your DTI code, but it is completely free and super simple. So let's show you what to do. So this is going to pop up that says VIP Unlocker. Now you just need to complete 2 of the tasks below, and these can be apps/surveys, and this is going to unlock your VIP. It says follow the instructions below each task. So basically I've got a list of tasks here. These are usually things like mobile games or surveys, and you just need to basically complete 2 of these and follow the instructions. So this one here, Dice Dreams, it says download and install the app to complete level 4. So you click on it and you would download it from the App Store, this game, and play it until you complete level 4. So just basically complete any 2 tasks on this page, and once you've done that, come back to this screen and your code will be fully revealed. Obviously I just skipped forward, but yeah, that is how to do it, guys, and these are the best DTI codes working in 2025. So go to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to the Dress to Impress page, and enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.